my name is Miss Shindy, and today we're going to do 2 Christmas experiments with you. Would you like to tell them about the Christmas experiments we're going to do today?
Absolutely. So the first Christmas experiment that we're going to be doing is making Christmas snow. The second one that we're going to be doing is making Christmas decorative slime.
Awesome. Are you ready to jump into the first experiment?
I am ready.
All right. So the first experiment, like Alyssa said, is Christmas snow. Alyssa, tell them what we need for this experiment.
We are going to need baking soda. We are going to need a bowl. And we're going to need wet hair conditioner.
All right. So parents, we're going to need about 3 cups of baking soda. So Alyssa, can you pour that into the bowl? And 1/2 cup of hair conditioner. And to mix it up, we're going to use our fingers. All right, so let's go in and mix this up.
It's soft.
So while we're mixing this, I did want to share something with you, Alyssa. Do you know that there are no 2 snowflakes that are exactly alike?
No.
You didn't know that? So what's cool is when snowflakes are being formed in the atmosphere, as they come down, they are forming, but there are no 2 that are exactly alike. So that made me think about how God, who is our creator, has formed and fashioned each and every one of us to be unique and to be different. So you can always know that you are special. I thought that was pretty cool since we were making snow. Let's see. How does yours look?
It smells amazing.
It does?
Yeah.
Good. All right, I think we need to mix a little bit more. Now, parents, you may have to adjust this slightly, but that's okay. Yeah, I think that is pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these, and I'm going to make a large ball for a snowman, and you want to make the medium and small ball?
Absolutely.
Okay. We're just going to make a Christmas landscape. Now to finish off our snowman, we're going to add a little top hat. Okay. And Alyssa, if you can add some other items to our snowy landscape. So what do we have?
We have 2 trees.
Okay.
We have a church.
All right.
And
Let's slide this back a little bit. Okay.
And we have a sled.
Awesome. So now you see all the ways that you can create a snowy Christmas right inside of your home. Very good. I love that. Doesn't it look nice? So now we're ready to do our second experiment, which is Christmas decorative slime. Alyssa, please share with them what we need to make this slime.
Sure. We're going to need water, glue, food coloring, our Christmas glitter, baking soda, contact solution, a bowl, and something to mix with.
All right. And we're going to need Elmer's glue, and we're ready to get started with the glue. All right, so we need 1 bottle of glue, and we're going to dump that into our bowl. Put the cap back on, and we're going to place that to the side. Now we're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Do that. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of water.
1,
2. All right. You want to add 2 to yours? All right. 1, 2. Now, Alyssa, I think I'm going to use the yellow food coloring for mine.
I think I'm going to use red.
Red. All right. So
How many drops?
I'm going to do 4 or 5. It's whatever you feel.
1.
There's no magic number.
That's 2. 3, 4, 5.
Now, parents, if you use the colored glitter, glue, you do not have to use food coloring. It's totally up to you whether you do this step or not. All right, so let's mix it up. Let's add in a little bit of glitter while we're mixing. Since we're doing Christmas glitter, we wanted to do some Christmas colors, so we have green, white, and red glitter. Some stores even have Christmas tree glitter, so whatever you can find that your family would like will be cool. So while she's mixing that, I'll tell you about our last little ingredient that we need, which is our contact solution. So what we found is you have to use contact solution that has boric acid in it. And the two products that I have found that have this in the solution is the Renew Contact Solution or Equate, or the Walmart brand. So make sure that you get these two brands or your slime will not come out the way that it needs to. So, are you mixed? I think you are. So what we need now is 1.5. Let me hold that spoon. 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution, and we have to add that slowly while you mix. Okay, so Alyssa, mix, and I'm gonna add this slowly. Start mixing. And you can tell that the glue is starting to thicken, so it's starting to look more like the slime that you're used to seeing. So that's 1. I'm gonna add 1/2 to that. It's getting sticky. Keep mixing. Oh yeah. It's thickening up now. Let me see before I add more. Here, hold this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna add that to mine. I'll just keep up with what I added. So let me see. Oh yeah. Yours is already. So I think you only needed 1 tablespoon for yours. So you hold on while I mix mine.
Sticky.
So I've added 1/2 tablespoon. And mine, although it's thickening up, I still need to add a little bit more. Can you tell the difference between mine and Alyssa's? So I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon more. I don't wanna add too much too soon.
Yours is softer.
Yeah.
Mine's is not that soft.
Okay, so that's 1/2 right there. We're mixing, mixing, mixing. You do not have to have a spatula. You can actually use a spoon, a wooden stick. It's whatever you have around your house that you can mix with. So, roll your sleeves up just a little bit, Alyssa. Now we're gonna do the step of kneading. So, what I found online is that if you use a little bit of lotion on your hands before you do this step, it'll help the slime not to stick to your hands so bad. So this last little step, we're gonna take what we can off of the spatula. Yours is good? Okay. And we're just gonna mix it with our hands. Mix it in, mix it in. And it feels just like the slime that you would buy at the store, you guys, with just a few ingredients that you have at home. So you want to show them? Yeah! This is our Christmas slime. Isn't that cool?
Yes, very cool.
You got it. Let me see yours. You did a good job, girl.
Yours is warmer.
I must have hot hands. So that's it, you guys, for our Christmas slime. Woo! We hope you guys have some fun time at home with your Christmas slime and
Christmas snow.
yeah, Christmas snow and Christmas slime. And one thing we do want to say to you before we go is that we hope that you take this Christmas season to really think about all the things that you are thankful for. And don't forget, the real reason why we celebrate is the birth of Jesus Christ. So, from our family